Hi, my name is Martinelli, and I have a special news to share with you guys. Today was supposed to be, oh my goodness, it was supposed to be a beautiful weekend, but person no fit shout. Like, I know if you talk about him, like, oh my goodness, child. Well, Mama Osinachi, we've read a lot of things. We've seen a lot of things online about how a lot of persons actually said a lot of things, and then a lot of stories. Some persons say divorce, some persons say this, blah 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 blah. Some celebrities are not talking about how blah blah blah. Oh my goodness! As I'm talking to you now, if you just tap OSI, you see popular now. It is Osinachi. The news is everywhere that the woman of God has gone to be with the Lord, which is the most important thing. Gone to be with who? With the Lord. Now, every other story attached to her journey to heaven, my dear, just learn from it. Whatever may be the cause, just learn from it. I'm seeing a lot of persons, oh my goodness, like this person said, in those days I ministered the song, I needed you Lord, I need you everywhere. I was invited to minister, and each time the atmosphere was electrified, the passion was always tangible. This woman carry fire. Hey, have you listened to a Kwe, man? Che God, Che. And every other song that was written, but she was a woman of fire. She was a woman of God that came to earth and fulfill her purpose. She saved so many souls. She led so many to Christ. Whenever she opened her mouth to sing, heaven manifests purely. And now she has gone to be with the Lord. She has fulfilled her purpose on earth. That was why she was created. She has fulfilled. So stop saying she died young, she died. Whatever reason may be, just learn from it. Whatever thing may be the reason of her death, just learn from it. Learn from it. Learn from it. Learn from it. You want to know the cause of her death, just learn from the cause. Whatever thing you are seeing, a lot of persons are saying online, whatever thing may be the cause, just learn from it. See, I would have loved to go through all the messages online, but I don't want to. Just learn from it. Women, learn from it. Men, learn from it. But above all, Mommy Osinachi Nwachukwu has gone to be with the Lord, and she will join the angel to sing Ekweme. Oh, Ekweme. So, just subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Where is subscribe? Subscribe for more news. My next video I will open up. Now I'm trying to be spiritual. I will open up. Woman of fire. When she sing. Child, she even sang it in her song, Seek Him Now That You May Find Him. Tomorrow may be too late. That was the purpose of her coming to earth. She came and she delivered the message straight to the point. She has gone to be with the Lord. Whatever is the case, she has gone to be with the Lord. My next video, I will open it wide. Love you guys. Peace out. Please subscribe and go and listen to Osinachi. So if you have not given your life to Christ, give your life to Him now. Seek Him now here on earth. Seek Him now. Seek Him now. Seek Jesus now. That was the purpose for Mama Osinachi to come on earth. She came with a spiritual sound. Seek the Lord now.